Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Back. Are you excited?
Not doing anything.
Oh,
I keep this one
what?
and this one. This one and this one.
That one and that one? Oh, that's okay. We are going to. Oh no, I think your internet. Oh, my internet or your internet? Oh my. Hello. Okay. Sige na, we're gonna write. Okay?
Wow, lupa, lupa.
Uh-uh. Wow, last time we were able to write this one, right? So now we will be writing another sentences. Okay. Here. Let's read first. Let's read. Birds live Birds live in a nest. Okay. We are going to write the word birds. Okay, birds. How do we write birds? B, ah, big B. Blue line to blue line, Jirin. Don't forget that. Okay? Okay. Finish? Finish? Okay, small eye. Oh, small eye, small eye.
Mulai.
I, red line to blue line. Hmm. Red line to blue line.
Red light, a blue light.
Red line to blue line.
Red light to blue light.
Uh,
Dana, pula, pula, pula,
Okay, and then write the letter R, small R, without teacher, without teacher, only Jirin, small R. Sige, small
Oh,
R.
there.
Where? Closer, closer. I can see. It's on your it's on your hand. You're covering your writing. Oh, erase it. Ano, make it beside the letter I. That's too far, man. Erase. Closer. Closer sa I. Closer. It should be closer. Closer, like
Oh,
teacher, oh. Closer. That is so far lang. Make it closer.
there. I get closer to us.
Closer to I. Closer to
Closer
I.
to
Okay? Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay. Now, let's write the letter D. Letter D.
small D,
Letter
small D,
D. D.
small D.
Beside, closer to letter R, ha? Closer to letter R. D.
Magkata. Ah,
Oh, let me see. Uy. Iba na nga ni teacher.
magka teacher.
Where? Show it to teacher.
It's too big. It's too big. Teacher small,
Closer.
ha?
Closer
Teacher
to
small.
R.
Teacher small.
Like teacher,
Teacher.
oh. Like teacher. D. You have to learn writing now on your own.
Oh,
Mm.
Danger.
And then letter S. Letter S.
S.
Hmm.
Deep.
Hmm. Finish?
Too big. Too big. Danger.
Yes. Let me see. Yay! Very good. Okay, next is write the birds live. Okay.
What?
Birds live. Letter L. Letter L. Far away. A little bit. Oh, wait lang, wait lang. Far away to the letter S. A little bit far.
Like that?
Mm.
Oh, not like that. Not like that. Not like that.
Oh, far,
Like
far, far.
far. Like
Mm-mm.
that. Yeah.
Far, far, far. Finish, finish, finish. Mm. Oh, okay. Without teacher, ha? Without teacher. Closer, right? Closer, letter I. Letter I.
The eye.
Closer sa letter L. Close. Oy, oy! That's not how you write. I write properly on the table. Ah. Hi, Jirin. Letter
Oh,
I.
the eye.
Closer sa letter L. Close good. Closer.
Closer.
Yes. Finish na?
Not. Yeah.
Mm. Ah, I hold properly. Hold properly. That is so far. Erase and closer pa. A little bit closer pag yun. Like teacher, oh, like teacher. Look, teacher. I. Yan.
Oh.
And then V. E.
B. Hi. Okay.
I erase the letter C. Oh, where's Jirin?
My dad. I'm doing.
I can't see you. Your camera is off.
I got
I can't
this
see
thing.
Jirin. Where is Jirin?
And then
Okay, let me see. There's no S. Erase letter S.
B.
There's no S. Erase letter S. Erase letter S. Erase letter S. Letter S. Letter S. Finish?
No. You're doing S2. And yeah, see?
Okay, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me. Ah! Not letter C. There is no letter C. Erase letter C. Erase lang. Erase. Walay labot si letter C.
B.
Erase it.
And that. Oh, yes. Like here.
Erase
Oh, yes.
it.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
No S, no C. Only
Yes, yes, yes.
Live. Let me see. Okay. Now write letter I. Far away. Far away to letter
Mhm.
E. I.
Mhm.
Write I. Layo sa
I
E.
want to eat like that. Like
Yes.
teacher, like that. Like that. Like tea. Tea.
I.
Yes.
Far away sa I ha. Far away. Layo
Okay.
sa E.
So eat
Wanna
like
see
that.
teacher?
Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that.
Where? Correct! Yay! Now, letter N. This is letter N. Beside
Mhm.
letter I. Beside letter I.
Wow.
Small N beside letter I. Hoy! Hoy! Letter N! Letter N! Letter N, not L. Erase. Erase. Letter N. Letter N. Small N, not a big N. Small N man, small N. Small N. Small N. Finish? Okay. Now write letter A far away to N.
Mhm.
Write letter A, Jirin.
Mhm.
Jirin.
Where are you?
Jirin is gone.
I don't know.
I think the connection, ma'am, your connection is unstable. Wala ang
Balloon.
signal ni Jirin.
Balloon.
I cannot see you.
There.
Okay,
There.
there. All right, finish na?
There. There.
Yes. Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, where's the letter A? Letter A.
Okay.
Hmm.
A big A. Big A.
Far away sa N.
And
Oh, far away sa N.
like that. Look like that. Papu.
Small
Papu.
A. Small A.
No, no. I don't know small A.
Small A man, small A.
Again, Sonia. Small A. Tell me.
Small A. How do we write small A?
With the blue. Yeah.
Small A.
Pina. Not like A.
Small A.
Help me. Some A.
You can do it.
I thought no. Ano? I thought no. No. I-release natin. Okay. Dati man ang right.
Oh, you forgot how to write it na?
Kalimutan na sa akin.
Okay. Ay, your birds, the word bird, it needs to have letter S. You forgot letter S. Sa word birds. Birds. You lack S.
Look at.
You forgot S. Write S.
Naman is the picture. Oh. Honey. No S. It's just that. Birds
Faster,
now.
faster. You're lacking S. You forgot the letter S. You forgot the letter S.
Oh, naman is the picture, di ba? No.
Birds. 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 Birds.
Oh, very good. Ito ka na. Di man if.
Bird.
Sige, go. Umok na na. Oh. Okay.
Okay. Finish? Okay, now last word is the word nest. Oh, write down na here. Write down here. Letter N. Oh, here na, here. Below na ha. Nest. Hmm.
What is the 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 what is the
I cannot see you again.
ay unsa man mo imo magyud ayo imo pang kamera.
Okay, what's that one now? What's that one? N.
Unsa man ba mo?
Are you done writing? Letter N. Oh, last word na. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Ay, water. Okay, water break. Water. Water, water. Oh, so very good at drinking water. Wow. Ay, ko very good ba? Yay! Okay, right. Done writing the letter. I not yet done. Okay. Okay, finish na. Okay. Oh, good na. All good na. All good na? Ha?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, N. Are you done writing the letter N? Hmm. Are you done writing na? N. N, N, N. Okay, finish. Finish? N man, N. Let me see. Let me see. Come on.
Not.
Plastic ito.
Again, some family.
Eh, no. Red to blue na. Oh. Red to blue na bagay ito. Ba't lagi ka?
Kakap pa ta.
Finish.
Oh, that's it.
Ito mami. Diba?
Okay.
Look, sir,
Where?
kita naman.
Ay, that is so far away, man. Okay, write E. Write E. Write E beside N. Write E.
Tarong ng imo na eagle.
E, eagle. E, not A. E. E.
Oh.
Oh,
Letter E.
eagle. Okay. Oh.
Eagle. E, elephant. Okay, next is S. S and then T. Closer lang sila. Closer lang to each other. Closer. S. Letter S. Letter S. And then letter T. Letter T. Letter T. Closer. Dancing. Closer.
I don't either.
Closer. Faster na. Almost done na. Yay. Almost done. Almost done. Jirin. Jirin. Almost done now. Faster, please. Are you done writing S and T? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're last na. Promise, last na. Sige na, please. 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 Sige na, almost done na. Jirin, faster na, faster. S and then letter T. Letter S. Oy, how do you write letter T? How do you write letter T? T. Letter T. Letter T. N-E-S-T. N-E-S-T. Ay, not listening kay teacher. N-E-S-T. Nest. Faster. Faster and bye-bye na. Come on. Mm. Finish?
Dana, teacher.
Mm. Okay. Practice more. Thank you, Jirin. I'll see you on Monday. You did very well. We need to practice more with your spacing. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you on Monday. Bye-bye.
Mag-bye-bye.
Bye-bye na kay teacher. Bye-bye. Bye-bye sa kay teacher. Bye-bye. Bye-bye sa. Bye-bye. Di, mag-bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.